electrostatics, the physics chapter, according to Gauss theorem, we have to finding about the electric field intensity near the point an infinite sheet. Electric intensity due to charge sheet. This is the main things to finding the electric intensity. Here the cylinder is present on y dash plane sheet, which both end cross section area is ds and ds. E and E is the electric density, and middle area is also ds, because both the upper line and lower line means the cylinder is completely right angle cylinder. Electric intensity due to charge sheet, consider that density due to the charge is sigma, permittivity of the medium is epsilon naught, and intensity due to the sheet's charge is capital E. According to giving the charge, the displacement of charge is epsilon naught epsilon, and electric flux is epsilon naught epsilon ds, where ds is the cross section area of the cylinder that is placed vertically to the y-axis. Now total charge equal to density of the charge and the cross section area, that is total charge equal to density of charge plus cross section. Therefore density into cross section is ds. The total charge of this cylinder is as equal to the total electric flux of the both end of the cylinder, that is total electric flux equal to epsilon naught E ds plus epsilon naught E ds for both end of cylinder. Therefore that is 2 epsilon naught E ds. Total electric flux is equal to this. So total charge is equal to the total electric flux. Therefore total charge is equal to, hence total charge equal to total electric flux of the both end flux. Therefore total charge is sigma ds equal to 2 epsilon naught E ds. Here 2 epsilon naught electric flux equal to sigma or E equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. This is the resultant of electric intensity due to a charge sheet at a point of an infinite sheet. That is the result of Gauss's state. According to Gauss's state, total electric flux of a charged body is equal to the total charge of the surrounding sheets on which the cylinder is kept vertically along with the y dash axis. So the resultant of any point, their electric intensity is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. That is the result. Thank you very much for the electrostatics applications of Gauss theorem. This resultant of all the application of Gauss theorem is very much effective and important for the all coming examination, and tomorrow I am go through in the electrostatics for other questions or other topics. For this, thank you, and अगेन आप लोगों से कहना है कि अगर ऑनलाइन वीडियो क्लास की प्लान अच्छी लगे तो अवश्य सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें और लाइक करें. थैंक यू वेरी मच.